Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to change the rear seat on a Honda Rebel. Usually all the same from 85, I believe 2015 or 16. You can see the rear seat here. See this section here. Over the years, just started to come apart. The tools you're going to need for this is a 1/4 inch ratchet with an 8mm socket and an extension. So we'll put this together. It's a rather easy repair. You just want to make sure you got all the right tools. Put our socket on. Once again, it's going to be 8mm. Small guy there. So we're going to locate these two bolts right here. There's one here and one there. We're simply going to loosen that. That should come right out. There's one. And then we'll do this one here. It should be pretty loose. There's the second one. We'll just set them aside. Then the seat's just going to pull right out. And you can see that. There's a little mounting bracket there. And see that bottom part? It's going to go in there. So while we have it off, I'm just going to wipe everything down. Just try to keep the dirt and dust to a minimum. Alright, looking good. So here's a replacement seat here. See, it looks pretty nice and great condition. I bought it used. You can find decent ones online. A new one from the Honda dealership is probably going to run you $100 or so. So once again, you're going to find this mounting bracket. I'm going to slide that right into there. You can see that went right in like that. Make sure the brackets line up here in the back, which they do. Then we're going to put our bolts back in. So we'll start it by hand, and you want to make sure you have the right angle because you don't want to strip the threads on the screw or the bolt. So once that's in there loosely, we're going to put the other one in. And once again, you just want to make sure you got the right angle. There you go. Finally getting in there. Okay, put your ratchet on. I'm just going to tighten up. Okay. You don't want to over tighten, you don't want to snap the bolt head. Just want to make sure that's tight. Let's check it out. Looks good. Perfect. So looking good here. And this is from an 04 on the Rebel, 2004. Once again, they're interchangeable from 85 to 15 or 16. I'm not quite sure on that. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you leave a comment and let me know if you have any questions.